Thousands of years before it became a popular tourist destination, this amazing island was home to pre-Columbian Maya people, who called it Nizuc, which roughly translates to point of grass or promontory. With its gorgeous turquoise seas, powdery white sand beaches, and vibrant coral reefs, it's no surprise that Cancun is one of Mexico's most popular resort areas. Cancun's hotel zone features large resorts, smaller, more intimate hotels, and a variety of attractions. Hotels, restaurants, malls, and nightclubs line either side of Boulevard Kukulkan, known as the Hotel Zone, which runs down the middle of the 15-mile-long sandbar. As you venture closer to the city's downtown, El Centro, you'll see a more local side of life, peppered with markets and traditional restaurants, as well as quality business-class hotels and hostels. Cancun is situated on the Caribbean Sea, which offers clear, turquoise water and the white, sandy beaches that make images of the island so wonderfully enticing. These days, Cancun is recognized by the World Tourism Organization as one of the planet's best vacation destinations.